In front of me is OPPO Reno15 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Start by opening an app called ThemeStyle and looking for a perfect font style by tapping on Home or Category at the bottom and selecting Fonts at the top. You can also click on the search bar and type in wherever you want to. Either way, tap on Apply under the best font style for you and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, font style of mine has changed. To go back to your default one, you need to access ThemeStyle again, choose Me at the bottom right corner and hit My Resources. This way you can access font section over here between themes and wallpapers and tap on Apply under your default one. Last but not least, most people miss that you can also go into Settings, hit Display and Brightness, scroll to tap on Font and click on one of those, then tap on Apply to save it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!